entry, stop under the swing low, target 1:2 guys. Target is simply 1:2. Do not expect 1:3, 1:4, something like that. It is simple 100% mechanical strategy, so you don't need to use your brain. Just simply stop under the candle, target 1:2. All right, let's see some more example on the downside, so you will get the clarity to the sell side. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you a simple day trading strategy which you can easily use and repeat every day, and you don't need any kind of daily bias or any kind of market structure knowledge or any advanced knowledge. It is simple 100% mechanical strategy which you can easily repeat every day. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Harsh and I am a full-time trader since last 5+ years. So you can trust me whatever I am saying, and you can literally backtest the strategy and practice, and you can check the accuracy of it. So let's start the video. The strategy name is AME strategy. AME full form means accumulation, manipulation, expansion strategy. Alright, so what we do in this, we need a sideways Asian session. We have in forex market 3 session, right? Asia, London and New York. You can use this strategy on forex pairs and gold, not on indices. This is not for indices, only forex and gold. Alright, so let's say we have 3 session, Asian, London and New York. So we need the Asian session to be sideways, right? In accumulation stage, in consolidation stage. So this is our Asian session and it is sideways. So we need Asian session to be sideways, right? So this is the Asian session and it is sideways. So we have buy side liquidity above the Asian session high, and we have sell side liquidity above the Asian session low. So whenever price took the buy side liquidity first or sell side liquidity first, in this case price took sell side liquidity first, then we will go down to 5-minute chart and we will look for market structure shift, and we will not take entry on first shift because first shift is 99% time fake. So what we will do, we will wait for double break or we will wait for manipulation setup, anything like that. We have 2 entry models, I will tell you in detail, wait. And in second case we have Asian session and it is sideways, right? And in this case price took buy side liquidity first, so we will wait for our 5-minute to get shift, and we will do nothing on the first shift because first shift is most of the time fake. So we need double break, then we can sell. Or our second entry model is, this is 5-minute shift. In this case price took the original swing high and then price came again down, then we can sell, and we will capture 1:2 on every trade. Whenever we are losing 1, and whenever we are gaining we are 2. So with this strategy even 60 to 70% win rate is enough to make money. Alright guys, so this is the theory. Now let me show you on the charts so you will get the more clarity. Let's repeat again the theory because to get the more clarity, right? So what we will do, we will wait for Asian session to get swept on the buy side or sell side. If price swept sell side first, then we will wait for shift to the upside and then we will take entry on double break, right? We will not take entry on the first shift because first shift is fake. The condition to met on this strategy is Asian session need to be sideways. If the Asian session is not sideways, we cannot trade. If the Asian session is already on expansion stage, it means there is no setup. Alright, so condition number 1 is simple, Asian session need to be sideways, and then we will place our trades after 12 AM midnight New York time, UTC -4. Okay, so this is the theory. Let's understand the examples on the chart so you will get the complete clarity. So here we have our example number 1. In this you can see this is our Asian session high and this is our Asian session low. As you can see price is literally sideways, right? Now some people will say, oh, it is expanding from here. Guys, you will not get the cherry pick examples. It is most of the time sideways, so we can use it. So in this Asian session is sideways, totally sideways. All right, then price took sell side liquidity first and buy side is pending. All right, so then we need shift in market structure. So here is our first shift. All right, first shift, then retracement, then second break. Whenever you get the second break, you can instantly place your entry. So in this case, entry, stop under the swing low, target 1:2 guys. Target is simply 1:2. Do not expect 1:3, 1:4, something like that. It is simple 100% mechanical strategy, so you don't need to use your brain, just simply copy paste. Right, let's see some more examples. So here we have example number 2. This is our Asian session box. If you don't know how I am getting these boxes, you can simply use the indicator, any indicator. You can just simply type sessions, kill zones, ICT kill zones. You will get the indicator which automatically gives you the range. So in this Asian session is sideways, it means criteria number 1 meet. Then we need our liquidity to get swept. In this case, sell side liquidity gets swept. So here we have our shift. This is our first shift. As I told you, we will do nothing on the first shift. We will wait for second shift. So in this case, we got the second break and we will place our entry. Right, you don't need to place stops under swing low because these are already high probability trades, and then you will target 2 hour. In this case, price tried to goes and then sideways totally and hit our stop. All right, let's see another example. So here we have another example. This is our Asian session, totally sideways market. Right, guys, do not get tricked by these small expansions. Sometimes price do small expansion, but if you look overall box, it is totally sideways. Right, price took sell side liquidity, then we need shift to the upside. We have first shift, we have second shift. Whenever we get 2 shift, we can set our entry, stop under the candle, target 1:2. All right, let's see some more example on the downside, so you will get the clarity to the sell side. So here we have another example. This is our Asian session range. This is our sell side liquidity. This is our buy side liquidity on the top of the box. Price swept buy side liquidity. Then we need shift to the downside. This is the first shift. As I told you, we will do nothing on the first shift. Either we need double break or we need manipulation setup. So this is the manipulation setup. First shift. In the manipulation setup, price took the original point of the first down move, then goes again. So in this case, we are getting manipulation setup. This is our first shift. Price took original liquidity and then break again. Simply place your sell entry, target simply 1:2. All right, so let's see some more example so you will get the more clarity. So here we have another Asian session box. Right, price swept buy side liquidity. We have first shift. We will do nothing on the first shift. As I told you, we will wait for either manipulation setup or double break. Then price did double break. Right, simply we will set our sell entry, stop here, and in this case price took, but due to news we got liquidate. Right, let's see one more example. So here we have our Asian session box, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Which liquidity price took the first? Always ask the question. Price swept sell side liquidity first. We will wait for first shift. We will do nothing on the first shift. Wait for second shift. Simply set our entry, stop under the candle, target simply 1:2. So guys, the accuracy of this strategy is around 60 to 70%, which is more than enough to literally print money, because we are taking 2 hours whenever we are winning and we are losing 1 hour whenever we are losing. So I want you to backtest this strategy and check the accuracy on yourself. Practice it many times and use it. use it on forex pairs like euro USD, GBP USD. You can also use it on gold, but because gold is more likely trending, so it not work very well there. The only condition you need is sideways Asian session, manipulation to the one side, and then catching the expansion. So let's summarize the strategy. You need sideways Asian session, and you need to wait for one-sided liquidity to get swept. If price swept sell side liquidity first, then you need shift on the 5-minute chart, right? You will do nothing on the first shift. You will wait for either double break to get entry, or you will wait for manipulation setup. Most of the time you will get the double break entry. It is the high probability and it is the simple. On the sell side, same, you will wait for Asian session to swap buy side liquidity first, and then wait for double break to the downside. Then you can simply sell. You will set your target to 1:2. Easy. So that's it for today, guys. This is the most simple strategy I want you to share with you guys. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a comment, and also suggest me topics, so I will make the next video on those topics. Thank you for watching.